Whoa. Little too loud on the mic. Only got one side. I see. What's up? Yo. Mono. There we go. Oh, that's cool. What's up, everybody? Is there anybody here? Anybody? Oh, what's up? How's the sound? I just got a killer mic. How's the sound? Do I sound sexy or what? Someone say it. Clean. I knew it. I knew it. Cool beans. Well, that is awesome. This thing won't fail. It's hooked up to a Focusrite. It's a Shure mic. It's the shiz. So you're going to have to deal with like coughing and sneezing, ear hair pulling. You'll hear that. You can't sit still over here. Dang it. This was a surprise. You sound awesome. Thank you. Awesome. That's good news. That's good news because this little $70 light up thing that I bought, it just doesn't turn on anymore. And that seems to be the common failure after a while. It's just got this big, huge made in China bold letters right across the thing. So I went a little more pro. I gave the hunk of shite its opportunity to shine. And it failed under pressure. So what's going on with Bitcoin? What's going on with Bitcoin? What are you guys doing with Bitcoin? You think it's gonna rip through that or what? I do. Right there. Right there. Right there. So next week I'll be buying a dip. What's today? Did we open a new candle yet? No. So we're still on this guy here. Yeah, right there. Right there. That's what I'm talking about it. More specifically, I think that this is going to be our top. Right. No, not that one. This one. Right there. That's my top guess. If I was to guess where the top would be on Bitcoin, that would be it. If it decides to get animated, somewhere inside this guy right there. Halfway of that wick right there. That's my second guess. If this next week gets really oomph, which it should. It should. This sucker's balanced. Like, it should rip right up into here, to be honest with you. Yeah. What's up? What's up? That's about it. That's about as quick as she gets for an analysis on Bitcoin. It'll look like it's really bearish, and then we'll find a cup and handle, and then we'll long the snot out of it. And if we lose, I don't know. Don't let it wreck you. I have no idea where this is going. This has been like haunting me for a while. This one here. Now that we've closed above this sucker, in both cases, I would consider that a close above it, closed above this one, so I'm happy with that. So it's following bullish order block rules. So, really, I don't know. It could be this rejection block because of this volume imbalance. Could be half of it. It's just somewhere in here. That's where I'm looking for a bottom for next week. And then rise up into this puppy here. The black pit of death. There's just so much liquidity. It kind of got binked because, you know, traders be doing this stuff here. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's magic. It's never going to come up here. Boop. Boop. We call that the phantom trend line. And I mean, that candle has no tail. So I think we come up into here and then start trading down aggressively for this guy. That's what I think. Could be wrong. Dang it. That just looks hot. It looks like it's in a hedge. So how far it goes up is remain to be seen, but that's what we'll be looking for. I'm looking for our model right like that. Just like that. It'll look just like that. You know, that's kind of, if you look at this one here and this one here for a bottom as far as the model goes, you can see which one's just like really strong and tells you I'm coming up here now, and really weak and okay, I'm showing signs of exhaustion here. So we got into ICT's romance targets, which was great. We did that overnight. Totally annoying, but whatever. And yeah, so once we dig up into here, I will be aiming for this guy. If it's going to come back up here, it's likely going to be pretty animated and freak out. I'm not saying that's not possible. It's totally possible. But just the way that this looks, it looks like it's ready to dump. Can't ignore this swing high in the monthly time frame. If we start trading back up above half of this wick here, I'll aim for this half of this wick. And then if we trade above that, I'll look for a dip. And by then, I'll already be in sync and we'll be going up. But, you know, it's rough. It's rough, but this double bottom's way too clean. It is way too clean to ignore. Eventually, it's going to take that, and we'll be ready for it. So let's not get in the way of a moving train yet. But if we take the previous month's high, I would like to then to start, you know, this month, if we make a swing low here, I would have no option but to say, okay, we're likely going to take that out. So, you know, the commitment of traders isn't like the be-all, end-all of direction bias, but it helps. And then we have seasonal tendency shift here coming up, so we're likely to see some downside eventually. You know, and it doesn't, when you zoom out, that doesn't look very far. It doesn't look out of NASDAQ's control to get down there. And then keep going. They're just going to keep printing money. So yeah, I basically just came to hang out and test the mic, drop some emojis in the chat. Big dump. Hope your Saturday and your weekend's going good. We just ripped around the Camaro. It was pretty sweet. Scared my wife. She smiled. Sound is low, bud. Okay, let's do this, man. Let's do this, because this is how I want to talk when I'm live. I just want to be like this. cool, calm, and collective. So, no, I was on GTA this morning, just railroading people. How's that? How's that? Is that better? Is that a tickle fancy or a little bit higher? Yeah, but if there's people who. Yeah, exactly. Let's see here. How about that? Oh yeah, Jason. It's out of control. How about that? Is that better or worse? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna be like this. This is gonna be like what I want, where I want to sit, and how I'm gonna be typing and stuff. So you're saying a little bit higher than this, right? Good evening, BC Drums. No, Michael. Some people's phones are just not equipped with the cool. What do you call it? Components that give you that oomph. Like I know what they're talking about, man. Do you offer a course for new traders? I prefer it that if you joined up with me that you didn't know a dang thing, because then I don't have a bunch of reconditioning to do, and what you think and what you've been told the markets are. So it's best that it's like when you get somebody new on a job site. You know, you don't want somebody who's already trained by somebody else, because then they think they know what they're doing, and they're just like, yeah, I do it this way because the guy that I like trained me, and then they're like, yeah, and it's like, how do you train somebody who knows everything, right? It's best you know absolutely nothing. No indicators, just straight up time and price. I'm on PC. Well, let me know, because I like this. I like where I'm sitting, how far I am from the mic. Okay, well, I'm gonna full blast it. So now I'm clipping just a little bit. And let's see. Yeah, I'm clipping just a tad enough, like studio style clipping. How's that? Is that like the best perfect, or it's too high now? Okay, you and me are gonna fight after, okay? Just kidding. How's that? Is that like pristine? Mwah, the best? You can hear my snaps. No, bare knuckles. Better, yes. Okay, cool. Too high now. I can hear the crickets. Yes, that's the best, man. Cause like when it's really boring, the crickets got my back. That's awesome. Too high now. I can hear the crickets. No, that's sweet. We want the crickets in there. That's good. Okay, so everybody can turn their volumes down normally to where it's supposed to be, not full blast their phones. And then it's like, now we're at studio quality level here. And then I'm going to check the replay on this puppy and see what it sounds like on my end. Is there a link on where to start learning? So, look, you can join if you want to learn crypto. Like, are you a part of the Discord yet? Like, basically, when people come to me to learn trading, they're in boot camp, and they've dedicated a year of their life to me. And we use ICT's material verbatim. We don't change nothing. We name some things, other things, just to play around and be funny, but we use his material, and I teach you guys how to apply it properly, and I teach you guys how to hunt setups and read price. That's what I do. That's my goal, is to get you to understand how to read price properly. But if you're in the Discord and you're wanting to leverage and learn how to leverage properly and safely with a backup plan so you don't have to lose trades, then the Discord's really where you're going to want to be, dude. If you're just looking for a little side hustle, then yes, I was on the 99, but I had deposit subscription on strike for a company. Yeah, word up, Jones. Okay, well, just don't. I don't know how long I'm going to be teaching for. Like, I've got a contract with Sam, so I'm going to be in the Discord for a while, so I'm not going anywhere for a while. So don't feel like you have to rush into anything. The markets aren't going anywhere. The bull run just started a few days ago, so make sure you're stonked up and don't panic and don't bail on your alts. So it's going to last a while. So just, I know you're on strike now. I was going to say keep working, but, as your paychecks come in, just keep stacking, keep stonking, stanking, whatever you kids say these days. Doesn't give me the option to pay for the YouTube premium prescription. That thing is like, if you if you want to spend time with me in the morning, that's what it costs, and you get 4 recorded sessions, and you can do what you want with them, if you know what I'm saying. I can't tell you, right? But if you do it, it's whatever. What's up, Robbie? Yeah, I don't know, Bellicose. Let's talk about it. Send me a DM. Yeah, so when you do decide to join back to the 99, don't even worry about it. Like, for now, just do your thing, and God bless you and Godspeed. How do you feel about saying how much one can make? Well, that's up to you. See, when people come to me, they're pissed off that the markets keep robbing them. And they've seen the power from me live trading with you guys and calling the market and stuff like that. Right? So they're like, what the heck are you doing? And if you go to my YouTube free mentorship, that's all I'm doing. Those 3 videos, the trifecta. Okay? I'm really, really putting psychology to work. I'm really, 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 really putting risk management to work. And I'm following a trading model. If you do this, you never need to pay me for education. And you can start your own education. All I do is the exact same thing over and over and over again at the same time every freaking day. And I don't trade later, and I don't trade Asia, and I don't trade freaking weekends. It's 7 to 11 a.m. You're going to find your model. It's going to bang, and then you're done for the day. And don't trade every freaking day. Do not trade every day, okay? Day trading doesn't mean you trade every day. It's not everyday trading. I can't stress on this enough, because this is how people just wreck themselves. You make good money when it's in your favor, because it's time for price to be in your favor. And then when it's not, you don't even know why you're getting walked on. You don't know why your patterns aren't playing out. I just told you, it's not time. Time runs price. And if you can prove me wrong, then do it. But if you go into your charts with that attitude, you're going to discover something. Price runs at specific times every day. That money printer model, every single day. You have every single day, 1 chance per day to catch the daily bottom. How does that work? Well, because every day has a bottom. Think about it. Go to your daily chart. Here, let's do it. One day. Now show me one day where there wasn't a bottom. Do you know what I mean? Every single day has a bottom. And it's likely going to look like a little baby cup and handle. Or some sort of stupid little variation. Inverted head and shoulders, ascending triangle, shark fin, moving average flip. It all starts with the stop hunt. And if it keeps dumping, then wait. Wait till the end of the day to try to catch the daily bottom on a bearish candle and just try and get that little tail bounce there and just get yourself to your loss back, or just sit in your hands and do nothing. Freaking wait till the next day. You do that and you will eliminate yourself 90% of your losses, and that I'll give you for free. You gotta find a model that repeats at the time that I tell you it repeats, and then apply risk management. And don't let these candles punk you. Okay, that's the psychology part, because that's what they're designed to do. They're designed to punk you. That's why you get punked. Just about every time. If you're a new trader and you're trading live before you're ready, you're getting into a trade, it's going up, and you get in, and then boom, reverses. Every single time. And then you start chasing it down, boom, reverses the other way. And now it's already in negative, so you're just like, boom, close. And then it will go, and then it will be in your favor, and you'll be like, what is going on here? It's designed that way, you silly head. It's meant to do that. It's meant to throw your emotions into a loop and then capitalize on them. So you got to be just a little bit smarter. My life for 5 months, still new to trading. Is it too early to jump into your leverage class? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. My leverage mastery complements everything Sam does. I'll teach you how to keep your own money. I'll teach you how to not stress out in trades. I'll teach you how to trust your trades. And I just teach you the money print. All we do is the same thing in that thing, dude. I basically walk you through it live in the Discord for free, or whatever, for your existing already membership. And then, you just got to pay attention. You can come into I get a little deep in the sessions for sure, but all you have to do is apply these things and then find the discipline to not let these candles talk you into a trade without your model materializing. That's it. That's the secret to trading. You just got it. From here on out, you should be on your way to professionalism. Because that's what you're not doing. You're not being consistent in your model. You're just like, okay, I feel it's going up. I think it's going to go down. Blah, blah, blah. I'm executing. I'm just going to leave us. This is the best one. This is my favorite. Watching traders go, okay, I'm just going to enter a long and then put my stop loss way down here. And then I'm just going to close. I'm just going to wait until it hits my targets, or I get stopped out, and then they get stopped out. Or they won't wait for the trade to play out, open up their thing too early, see that it's in the negative, close it, and then it'll go up. It's designed to mind screw you and then capitalize on it. Like, take my word for it, or don't. Go check it out for yourself. It's just what it does. It dumps. What happened to the sellers? What happened to selling pressure? Why did it turn on a dime just there? And not just anywhere. Here, you want to see something creepy? Here, you guys want to see something creepy? I'm going to show you guys something, especially if you're just new here, haven't seen much. I'm going to show you guys the creepiest thing ever. Okay? You guys believe in buying and selling pressure, and I tell you that that's the big lie. Okay? Because it is. If buying and selling pressure existed in the daily time frame, okay, think about this, we're in the daily. Why? What happened to the sellers? What happened to them? Right at the place that I tell you price is going to turn. What happened to the sellers right at that specific price point? Oh, they just stopped, right. They ran out of sells, right. Well, if they're selling, who are they selling to? They were selling to buyers. So logically, can you explain to me how sellers were in control on this price swing from this high to this low. How can you logically tell me sellers were in control when people were buying those sells? This is what you guys are not understanding. It doesn't matter how many buyers or sellers are coming in. None of that matters. All that matters is where's the liquidity? Where's the stop losses? But if you look at this as premium and discount and counter trade, selling pressure and buying pressure logic, because look, when we're in a discount, we're looking for longs. We're not looking for shorts in a discounted market. That's not continuation. That's not selling pressure to us. This is discounted market. Why? Because that swing high right there, broke trend right there. Boom. So we're going up. That downtrend is over. If we were going down, we would never have taken that high ever. We would be already at 40K and we'd be dumping. But the fact that we took that told us that we were going to get a bounce here. Likely, highly likelihood. We never tell ourselves we know where price is going for sure. However, our model is there. It's not only our model in the lower time frames, money printer, it is a swing low in the daily time frame in a discounted market. So there goes your selling pressure logic. It's gone. Bye. Kiss it goodbye. It doesn't exist. Stop tripping out in your 1 minute time frame. It's going somewhere specific, very specific, obviously. So does that look highly manipulated and controlled? Or does that look like random buying and selling pressure logic theory? You tell me. Does that look like random selling pressure? The seller's just monthly time frame just stop selling right there at that specific moment, that specific price level. I'm shiny, but I'm not brand new, right? So forget these gurus on the internet that are telling you we're in a downtrend. We've never been in a downtrend ever. It's only went up. But yeah, so if we make a swing low here in the monthly time frame, we could rip, and that would be really fun. And it's oddly enough, I want to see like NASDAQ and Bitcoin completely decouple from one another, or like NASDAQ not do much and Bitcoin freak out within the next couple months. Just totally murder that high and just expand, kind of like this. Boom, 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 boom. Then a little period of cool off in the Christmas, the winter holidays, and then another. And that's kind of what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I'm going to sync your charts to New York time, Omar. Yeah, that's a good idea too. Love you, friend. Thanks for being so real. Oh, thanks, Timmy. Word up, man. You're welcome. No, you guys are real ones too. You know, your vibe is your tribe. And you guys are dope. Seems like leverage can get to your goals faster, but you need a great teacher to teach. No, John. Once you go to my risk management, you're going to understand that leverage is never was what you think it is. What you think leverage is right now is not even close to what it is and how it's supposed to be used. That is the mindset of a beginner trader that just came in, that thinks that leverage is the answer to their problems. It's not. I hope nerves get struck, and I pray for you that you have an epiphany and it just hits you like a freight train, dude. Like once you figure this risk management thing out and a model, you're going to start growing accounts wildly. Even just very small ones. And of course, if you're like position building with the leverage mastery, you can that's how I run up accounts real quick when I'm playing crypto leverage stuff, which has been a day and an age ago after I found out about funding. But yeah, man. Well, that calls me out. You know, it's more than you think. It's like everybody. It's literally everybody. They think, okay, I have a $500 account. I'll just go 200x. I'll put in half my money. Boom, you're wrecked. And you're just like, what just happened? You don't even know. You don't even know what just happened, and it did it. And then you got to figure out the hard way. So go check out the free thing on YouTube, public risk management. It's the holy grail. It's the thing you're missing. D-shuffle. That's too bad. Yeah, and you know what? You're not purple in the Discord either. You know, you're just kind of doing your thing, and instead of actually, and I've taught you. You know what I mean? I teach you all the time. Yeah, Jason too. all you guys. I give you guys everything you need to be profitable, and you just refuse to do it. So either you're gonna crumble under the weight and collapse, or you're going to submit and you're going to go, okay, I'm going to actually have to be a suit and tie wearing mother dude because guess what? Would you hire you to manage funds? God bless you guys. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great rest of your weekend. Peace out.